Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. Children, let me tell you, this is the last chapter from history. For your kind information, I am telling you that from history, only two chapters will be coming for the final exam. The nationalism in India, that already I have taken, and this is the last chapter, the rise of nationalism in Europe. So only these two chapters you have to learn for your final examination. Okay, it is clear. According to the syllabus, only two chapters will be coming for your final examination till today. If there is any change, I will inform you later on. So let me start the chapter. The topic is the French Revolution and the idea of nationalism. That is the topic, the French Revolution and idea of the nation. Last chapter we have studied about the nationalism in India. Now here let us see. During 1789. Now let us take the year. I am talking according to the textbook. According to the textbook, it is 1789. 1789, the French Revolution took place. Now, during 1789, all the kings were ruling the country. So, that country which was ruled by the king was known as the monarchy government or monarchy system, where Raja Maharajas were we can say राजा महाराजा लोग का शासन चल रहा था. कहाँ पर? फ्रांस में राजा महाराजा लोग का शासन चल रहा था. That means it is known that it was a monarchy system. During this system, the people were not happy. Why? During monarchy system or the kings were ruling, that time the people were not happy with the Rajas or Maharajas or their rules or their kingdom. They were not at all happy. Who? The common people. They were facing lots of problem due to the kings. So now what happened? So when they were not happy, they started protesting. That they started, so common people started to protest. They started to protest that we don't want the king's rule or the kingdom. We want democracy. So the common people, what they demanded, they want democracy. So as the king gave their rules in the hands of common people, what happened? Let us see what major changes took place. Major changes took place during French Revolution. What was that? What happened? First point was that power transferred from monarch to the common people. So the the kingdom was in whose hand? The kings. So now what the kings did? They gave their kingdom in whose hand? In common people. I will tell you how this common people, what are they? When common people means they need the demand, they are in need of democracy. So when democracy means common people. So second point is what? They brought new flag. The flag was changed. The flag was changed when the power was transferred to the common people. The second point what they did, that was they brought a new flag of tricolor. Then the third point is that French become the national language. So the language French became the national language. What happened? In the French Revolution, or when the common people took the power in their hand, what they made? The third point was that the national language. What was the national language? French became the national language. Then, after that, a new national anthem composed and took oath. So, what happened? Now, when the common people took the power in their hand, what happened? They made a new national anthem that was composed, and they took oath, or the feeling of the love towards their nation, love towards their country. They have taken oath that we are the democratic country means we are loving our nation. So what happened? They made a new national anthem. During maybe the king's time, the national anthem was in favor of them. So what happened when the common people came? Now I will tell from the full society during that time what happened. The society was divided into, why I said common people, the power went in the common people's hand, because during that time the full society was divided into three states: the first state, the second state, and the third state. Now, the first state were the very rich people, very highly people they were. Second, also they were also very high people, priest class people, and the first was luxurious people, or the society was divided into three. But the third state were common people. So, what happened during this time? From the common people, they elected journal by common people and renamed National Assembly. So, what happened? The fifth point, what they did? As we know, during that time, when we will see the chapter again, we will see a full state was divided into three states: the first state, the second state, and the third. And third were the common people. They were under the first and second, means they have to work for the first and second state people. They have to be, they were the lower people. We can say in common they were lower people, and they have to work for the higher people, that is the first state people. They have to work under them. So what happened? From the common people, they elected whom? They elected state journal. Who? The state journal by common people, and renamed National Assembly. So when the king's time, maybe it may be whoever they will be, the king will be the. So what happened? They elected journal, one common, from the common people they elected, and by common people, and renamed National Assembly. What they did? They renamed National Assembly. Now, sixth point was what? The sixth point was internal custom duties were abolished. So, who abolished this one? Who abolished this one? The major changes took place during the French Revolution. What was that? By the common people. The sixth point was internal custom duties were abolished. Custom duties means सामान इधर उधर करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता था? पैसा देना पड़ता था as a tax. So what happened during this time? The sixth point, what it tells, वो टैक्स को छूट कर दिया था, ये हटा दिया था. Who? The internal custom duties were abolished by the French Revolution. Now, seventh one, what happened again? The French army thought that nationalism is an idea. It should be taken abroad. So what the French army, what they thought? The idea of nationalism is not limited only in one place. So what they thought, that this should be spread all over the Europe. It should not be in one place, but it should be spread all over Europe. In full Europe by the French armies. Now common people were very happy that French armies, everything was okay or in democracy. So now what happened? Since they were thinking that we are now in a democratic state or democratic country. So what happened? The common people were very happy, and what they did, they were spending their life very easily with everything, whatever they got during that time, they were happy. But suddenly, what happened? But suddenly there was an entry of one man. Who was that man? Let us see. Suddenly the entry of one man, and who vanished. What happened? Who vanished? He was not the lover of democracy. First what happened? 1789. 89, what happened? The kingdom came. Who? By the common people during French Revolution. Okay. And after that, suddenly a man entered in the, that means from the king, who got the charge or who got the power? The common people. That means from the king, the monarchy, what came? Democracy. After democracy, again who is coming? Who is entering? And he was Napoleon. Napoleon, he vanished what? Democracy. Finish. The kingdom gone. Who was by the common people? Napoleon and make an entry, or he entered. He entered. Suddenly he entered and vanished democracy. So from common people, now again, if we see from common people, the kingdom went in whose hand? Napoleon. Okay. From common people, it came to Napoleon. And now Napoleon ruled how many years? Let us see. From 1799 to 1850. Please note down. From common people, it went to Napoleon's hand. The entry of Napoleon. Now Napoleon said, I am going to you. He vanished what? He vanished democracy. And again Napoleon means, again whose rule? The Napoleon's rule came. So now Napoleon started ruling from the year 1799 to 1815. 1799 to 1815. So you have to note down 1799 to 1815 Napoleon ruled. Now during this time 1799 to 1815, a year came, that is 1804. 1804. He brought civil code of 1804. A civil code was, he was means Napoleon brought one civil code that is known as in the year 1804. So it was called as Napoleon Code. CODE, code, that is Napoleon Code. In which year? Which year it brought? It is 1804. 1804 means Napoleon Code. And now let us see in the civil code of 1804 what was the this was done by Napoleon. Napoleon brought a code. Code means a law. Law. So what was that law? Let us see. First, in the common people, the law was different. Now here in civil code, establish equality before law. Who did this? He established equality before law. All people are equal. No high, no low. That all thing happened in Napoleon's first point. That is Civil Code of 1804. Then second was right of property. So all the people are having the right of property. I have said that the people were divided into three castes, three categories. The people were divided into three categories: first state, second state, and the last state. That is the third state. The third state, who were there? The common people, very people, those who were under the upper class people. Who were there? They were means the people those who work daily labors and so many people farmers and all, they come under the third stage. So what happened? The right of property, only government can interfere or government can stop the, or everyone were having the rights of property. Whoever, they can have a property, they can sell the property, they can have how much property they want. Who No one can interfere in others property except the government, except the government. Now the third point is what? Feudal system was abolished. Feudal system was abolished. Feudal system was divided according to the power. I told you feudal system was divided, that is upper and lower. The lower people, they should be they should work under the upper caste, or they will be removed. So like that things were also removed. That means they are free, they are free, they can use their power, they can work how much they want. Or that means we can see feudal system, that means was abolished, means farmer. Here we can take as farmer, they can grow their field, or how much work they can do, whatever they like they can do with their own property or own field. Then here feed presents from the, here what happened? Here everyone were free, that upper and lower, no this thing, lower people can do their work, upper people also were having a restriction that they should not that means everyone are equal, that means lower and upper. In whose rule? That is Napoleon's civil code. That was a law. Before law all were equal. Fifth point is restrictions were removed. Restriction means everyone, for example merchant, artisans, traders, and they all can do their business from one place to another. All were free, there was no restriction in the um, means for the trade. So everyone were very free to do that work. Now everyone, by this civil code, during that time civil code of 1804, the people was the people, most of the people were very happy. Yes, there was a change. First it was a monarchy government, after that Napoleon came, and Napoleon has vanished so many things and established new laws. Before that means equality, right of property, feudal system was abolished. Then peasants were having freedom, and there was no restriction of the trade. The restriction were also removed, that for the trade and all were free to do the trade here. People were happy. This, yes, Napoleon has done very good work, and people were behind Napoleon. Yes, Napoleon came, and he was the now king, and he is doing the work very nicely, and so many system was changed, and the rights were given, equality was there, and everyone, the people were very happy. But we can see not all people, but there was certain drawbacks of Napoleon. Let us see what are the drawbacks. Drawbacks. Why the Napoleons? What are the drawbacks? Now, when Napoleon gave this law of equality, property, and all were happy. So what happened here? Yes, drawbacks were, what he did. The first drawback was he increased tax. Increased tax. Yes, you all are happy. You are happy with all the things, and you are very doing all the business so nicely. So what he did? चलो भाई हम टैक्स में इंक्रीज कर दे दें. As we know, the tax means that is the source of income of the state, isn't it? Now we are also paying so many taxes, isn't it? In from very small needle to very big things, we are giving tax to the